Hi everyone, welcome to Home Utilities. We bring the latest inventions and gadgets that make your daily life more easier and enjoyable. You can find the links in the description where you can buy similar products. Before starting the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you could keep updated with our future videos. Let's start the video. Fridge Side Rack. It creates a distinctive and modern atmosphere and adds more workspace to your home. It is great to hold a variety of items. Save your home and kitchen space with this unique multi-purpose fridge side rack that can accommodate almost anything you leave on your kitchen counter. Digital measuring spoon. No more guesswork while measuring ingredients. With this portable digital measuring spoon, you will know you are adding exactly the right amount. Vegetable spiraler. It is a fast and easy way to turn veggies into delicious healthy spaghetti, thin and thick and ribbon-like. Great for zucchini, squash. Snack sealing clip. Snack sealing clips are the handiest kitchen gadgets for you to keep different foods fresher, longer and contained in the pantry, fridge or freezer. Silicone toilet cleaner. Silicone toilet brush can clean hard to reach places of your toilet bowl. The internal hollow construction ensures that the drops of water dripping from the brush head can be directly drained into the built-in water storage drawer. Keep the brush head dry and hygienic. Trolley storage organizer. Trolley storage organizer is ideal to keep fresh fruits and vegetables. This can be used for multi-purposes and suitable for all indoor places like bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchen, study to perfectly organize all items. Magnetic window cleaner. It cleans the outside of your windows while staying in your room. Effective for single glazed windows, it can be used for cleaning windows, fish tanks, camera windows and even shower screens, mirrors, etc. Storage trolley rack. This spacious rolling cart allows you to keep your space decluttered. It has baskets so you can keep inside all your items and 4 smooth rolling casters, 2 of which are lockable to hold your unit in place when needed. Toilet seat lifting band. Toilet seat lifting band encourages people to lift and lower the toilet seat by providing a convenient handle. No more touching toilet seats. Bathroom shelf. This suction wall-mounted shelf will make full use of space in your bathroom as well as make your bathroom look clean and tidy. Clothes organizer. The shelves stack with each other for easy sliding. You can stack them up for layers of organization. It is also collapsible and you can fold it flat to save space when not in use. Spices sprinkler jars. You can save time and energy with this clear container that offers a quick and accessible way of finding the perfect spice that you need while cooking. Anti-splash microwave cover. The anti-splash protection cover of the microwave oven keeps your microwave clean and prevents the food from splattering while heating. Hidden clothes hanger. It provides you with an instant closet that you can use to conveniently hang clothes and it folds to almost nothing when not in use. Socks hanger. For convenient air drying of your small and delicate clothing, you can hang multiple pieces of clothing on these hangers. They don't take up much space and it takes less time to dry. Deodorizer. It absorbs excess moisture in the air that can cause musty odors and damage your cool. In any enclosed area which is prone to moisture, like wardrobes, hanging handbag organizer. This hanging handbag closet organizer saves closet shelf space while neatly storing handbags, purses, clutches. Thank you for watching video and please subscribe to my channel.